puppy. Today let's find out 27 different words which start with the letter O. This is how the alphabet O looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. O for one. O for orbit. O for orange. O for olive. O for ocean. O for oar. O for oasis. O for owl. O for opossum. O for orangutan. O for otter. O for okapi. O for ox. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for oatmeal. O for oven. O for okra. O for onion. O for oil. O for orchid. O for oak. O for origami. O for overcoat. O for oxygen. O for oval. And lastly, O for octagon. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter O. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.